Birth chart basics. When we look at our solar system from outer space, we see that Earth and the planets all orbit around the Sun. The planets all orbit on a similar plane. But our experience on Earth is that the Sun moves around the Earth, around us, creating day and night. The path the Sun makes across the sky is called the ecliptic. The planets all follow a similar path across the sky, as they all orbit on a similar plane. The planets sometimes appear to move in both directions due to the rotation of the Earth on its own axis as it orbits the Sun. These are the two circles of an astrological chart. The inner circle represents Earth, and the outer circle represents the sky path, the Sun's path across the sky that the planets loosely follow. Let's elaborate on the inner circle, representing Earth. It's divided into 12 equal parts, like a clock. This represents Earth time, or how we organize time on Earth. There are 12 hours of a day, 12 hours of night, and 12 months of a solar Gregorian year. These 12 divisions are known in astrology as the houses. They are the areas in our life where things happen in our earthly experience. The houses are numbered 1 to 12 in an anti-clockwise direction, but sometimes they can be read clockwise as well. Now let's elaborate on the outer circle representing the sky path. Stars and constellations fill the sky, but only some constellations are positioned on the ecliptic, the Sun's path in the sky. These constellations are the zodiac constellations. They make up the outer wheel, the sky path. The outer wheel expands beyond Earth time into cycles of soul and collective evolution, sidereal and cosmic time. Sidereal astrology respects the natural size variations of the zodiac constellations and includes the 13th zodiac sign, Ophiuchus, which lies in the direction of the galactic center. The zodiac constellations are known as the signs. The signs describe our experiences and how events may take place. The signs are representative of the energetic star qualities of each constellation, as well as a reflection of the collective archetypes of the human psyche. Psyche means soul, spirit, and mind. There are a few more objects and placements on the outer wheel which are important in chart reading. For example, particularly bright stars near the ecliptic, like Sirius and the Pleiades, may play an important role in your personal chart. The outer wheel can be elaborated on more, but we are keeping it simple for now. The two wheels, the Earth and the sky path, create the astrological arena. The position of the inner wheel stays the same for everyone. The position of the outer wheel changes depending on when and where you were born. You are connected to the whole Earth and the whole sky. You will resonate with most of or all the signs and houses on some level. We all share similar areas of life, and we are all exposed to the same sky. But sometimes that general expansive perspective is not the most helpful for growth and personalized insight. So how do we focus in on what is unique and specific to you? Enter the sun, moon, planets, comets, and asteroids. These bring focus and guide direction and attention in the chart, like shining a flashlight in the immense potential of your being. They show us what we are looking for and what we are looking at. Only the sun and stars create light. Planets and moons are like big rocks in space. They do not create light, yet we see them in the sky because they reflect the light of the sun and stars. They absorb, focus, reflect, and direct energy or intention. Their specific positions in a chart, what sign and house they are in, determines and defines how certain qualities are being expressed. Just like each rock, stone, and crystal is made of its unique composition of minerals, each planet also has its unique composition and characteristics of movement, shape, and size. Planets have qualities, or personalities. These qualities reflect and represent qualities within us and the collective consciousness. The planets don't float around alone and in isolation. They have specific placements and interact with each other in a significant way. In astrology, we call the significant interactions of the planets aspects. The aspects are the dynamics of a chart, the interconnections that tie the entire chart together and express the unique patterns, as if weaving in a narrative or sacred grid that is unique to you. A short recap. The planets show us what we are looking at. The houses show us where in life things are taking place. The signs show us how events are unfolding, as well as offer advice on how to act. The aspects express the interconnections and unique patterns. Now imagine the sky as a massive, multidimensional, moving crystal grid in space. The rocks are the planets. Their locations are the houses. The grid structure are the aspects. The intention, psyche, and starlight energy that infuse each rock are the signs. A birth chart is a snapshot of this multidimensional crystal grid at the moment of your first breath. Reading a birth chart is like uncovering the structure of your unique cosmic crystal grid and the journey you can take to harness its potential through a paradigm of cosmic connection, soul evolution, and life purpose aligned with the stars. Thank you for listening. My name is Prana Estu, and you can find me at www.openanahata.com.